an investment that is actually better than dividends, better than dividend stocks? I believe there is. So let's talk about it. And if you are a fan of dividend stocks, there's another type of investment that could actually be more lucrative for you. In fact, this investment model actually has tax advantages that are better than dividend investing, and you can get higher yields. So what am I talking about? I am talking about master limited partnerships, or MLPs. MLPs are companies that legally have to pay back 90% of the money that they make back to the investor. Now, what's the difference between an MLP and a stock that pays a dividend? With an MLP, you actually don't own shares of the company. You buy units of the company. So you're not an owner who has shares. You just buy units of the company. So you don't have a say in how the company is run. And quite frankly, people who like retail investors who own like 100 shares of a stock, they're not like activist investors anyway. So I don't think that really matters. Now, with an MLP, instead of paying back a dividend, they pay a return on capital. And this return on capital is not subject to corporate taxation. So here's an example of some MLPs that you may just want to look at, maybe not look at to invest in, but look at just to see how the model works. The Blackstone Group, that's a private equity firm, they pay a 10% yield. AmeriGas Partners is an energy company. They have paid a 9% yield. Brookfield Property Partners, property owners, property managers, they pay a 6% yield. So this is a great thing to look at. I wouldn't necessarily say, oh, forget dividend stocks and just go into MLPs. But you should definitely take a look at MLPs because they do pay a higher yield. They have some tax advantages. If you're looking to get more income, this may be the way to go. So, look beyond dividends. Check out the master limited partnerships. In fact, I'm actually going to include a link from the Motley Fool that provides more information on MLPs. They'll show a comparison, which I talked a little bit about, between stocks and MLPs. But they're definitely, if you're a fan of dividend stocks, if you're a fan of generating income from your investments, master limited partnerships are a great thing to look at. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.